Home sellers must read. Thanks for watching or reading along. And before we dive into the juicy stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss Space Coast real estate tips, tours, recipes, and a sprinkle of dachshund charm. All right, sellers, let's talk strategy. Because if you want top dollar, fast offers, and buyers falling over themselves to see your home, you've got to do one thing. Think like a buyer, even when you're the seller. Sounds backward? Stick with me. This mindset shift is what separates sitting on the market from sold. Price isn't about what you paid. It's about what the market will pay. I know. Your home is special. You've loved it, maintained it, improved it, maybe raised kids or puppies in it. But when it hits the market, sentiment doesn't set the price. Buyers do. Buyers don't care what you paid or what you need to get out of it. They care whether the price makes sense compared to recent sales, competing listings, condition. Upgrades, locati, on. If you can create a price point that makes buyers say, "Whoa, that's worth it," you win every time. Know your competition like you're studying for a pop quiz. Imagine you're a buyer touring homes in your area and price range. You're going to be comparing everything. So as a seller, you must ask yourself, would I choose my home over the others? Is mine the best value? Which home would a buyer fall in love with first? When you understand what you're competing against, newer homes, updated kitchens, bigger yards, better staging, you can position your home to shine instead of blend in. Buyers don't buy homes. They buy feelings. You might see your home through the lens of memories, but buyers walk in with a totally different filter. Does this feel clean, bright, spacious, and well cared for? You're not just selling walls and square footage. You're selling space-like comfort possibility. And yes, you're absolutely selling the ooh factor. Make sure your home shows like the one buyers remember after a long tour day, not the one they confuse with the house with the giant recliner collection. Condition matters a lot. Buyers will compare your home to others with the same layout, price range, or neighborhood. So ask yourself, does my home look as good as the competition? Better? Or, honestly, worse? Fresh paint, clean floors, decluttering, and small repairs go a long way. It's not about perfection, it's about perception. If yours isn't the best option, price must adjust. Here's the tough love truth. If your home isn't the best looking or the best updated, it must be the best priced. If your home is the best looking, best staged, best updated, great, price confidently. But if your neighbor's home has a new roof, updated kitchen, bigger yard, and shows like a model, you've got to price to compete, not to wish. Buyers shop by comparison, not by seller emotion. And the only homes that win are the ones that make sense. Fun fact for home sellers, the average buyer decides whether they like a home in the first 7 to 10 seconds of walking through the front door. That means your entryway might be the single most powerful selling tool you have. Thanks again for watching or reading. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more Space Coast real estate insight, home tours, and helpful selling tips. If you're thinking about selling and want a custom strategy that works in today's market, I'd love to interview for the job. Call or text 321-480-7662. Email margarett.klein@xrealty.com. Website https://margarettcsellsdreamhomes. YouTube https://www.youtube.com Dream Homes Space Coast Florida. Let us get your home listed, loved, and sold.